Hello, dear. This is Dad. I'm here, available with for you. This is our farm house. I already showed you earlier. This is our car, our scooty, my tractor. This is our godown where we used to keep our crops, harvest, or the vehicles. Let me show you the outer view. These are the plants. You at back. You can see my house at the greater height there. Uh, it's morning, early morning, so different school buses are approaching to pick up students, kids, or I would say. This is all our land full with greenery and herbs and shrubs. And let me show you. Okay, that's it.